Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare channel. Recently, the iPhone 17e has been getting a lot of attention as Apple's new entry-level iPhone, so I immediately picked one up. In my other hand, I have the iPhone 17, and now I need to transfer all the data from my old iPhone 17 to the new 17e. How should I do it? You're probably just as curious as I was. Today, I'll show you how. Method 1. Using Quick Start to transfer data. This method works when your iPhone 17e hasn't been activated yet. You can use Apple's official Quick Start feature for data transfer. Right now, my 17e is still unactivated. After you power it on, place it next to your old iPhone. A Quick Start prompt will appear automatically. If your old iPhone doesn't show set up a new iPhone, try waking the screen again or restarting the device. Tap Unlock to continue. Then scan the animation on the iPhone 17e to pair the devices. After pairing, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the basic setup is finished, the data transfer process will begin automatically. The transfer time depends on how much data you have. To fully migrate everything, it usually takes a while. For me, it took about 20 minutes. Once the transfer is complete, you just finish setting up your iPhone 17e, and all your data will already be there. You can quickly check your photo gallery or contacts to confirm whether the data transfer was successful. Obviously, mine worked perfectly. If your 17e has already been activated, but you still want to use Quick Start, you can go to Settings, then General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and erase all content to return the device to the setup screen. But is there a way to transfer data after activation? Yes. Method 2. Using tenorshare iCareFone. iCareFone allows you to transfer data even after your new iPhone has been activated. It's super convenient, fast, and works on both Windows and Mac. You can transfer photos, videos, and files between your iPhone and computer. Just download iCareFone using the link in the description. First, connect your old iPhone to your computer. Open iCareFone and click Backup and Restore, then click Backup Now. Next, choose the data you want to transfer. You can select All Data. After selecting, click Backup. Once the backup is complete, you can preview the backed up content. You can quickly view your backup content, which is very convenient. To restore the data to the iPhone 17e, connect it to your computer. Then click Restore to Device. Your old iPhone's data will start restoring to the 17e. The process is simple and fast. For me, it took less than 10 minutes, which is about twice as fast as Quick Start. After the transfer finishes, you can check the data on your iPhone 17a. Everything should be there. And with iCareFone, you can also restore backups to other iPhones. So it's a very versatile tool. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.